What up guys, welcome to the Jeezy Show. So if you're new to crypto, this video is for you. We're gonna go over the top 10 crypto rules that all newbies need to learn and abide by when you're getting into the crypto space. And be sure to stick around to the end guys, because I got a bonus for you where you can pick up some free crypto. But first, go ahead and subscribe to the Jeezy Show for me right here guys. Spike those likes and comments. You'll be helping the channel grow by making the YouTube algorithm recognize the videos being watched, and it'll send it out to more people to see. Now, you ready? Well, here we go.
Number 1.
Alright guys, so rule number one guys, you gotta remember, corrections and dips are gonna happen in any market. I mean, if things kept going up, they'd become so unsustainable that the crash is gonna be so hard, it's gonna affect the world. So remember that. It's healthy for the market to come down and correct itself a little bit and dip a little bit below what you're seeing, just for the entire health of the growth of the market.
Number 2,
dollar cost averaging. Now, if you don't know what dollar cost averaging is, go ahead and check this video out right here. It'll help you understand it and how you can invest a little bit more into cryptocurrency. But essentially, what it is just having extra money to buy any dips or corrections in the market that increases your portfolio. You get a solid baseline price when the dip comes in, and you accumulate more small quantities of coins at a decent price while it's on the way down. So remember, dollar cost averaging your best friend. That's how you're going to accumulate a lot more coins.
Number 3.
And number 3, this should be probably number 1. But don't invest more money than you're willing to lose. Period. It's so volatile. Anything in the market is not guaranteed, and things fluctuate all the time. So don't put your rent money in there. Don't put money to pay your bills. Just money that you have that you're willing to part with. So that way, if it does go down and you lose on it, it's still not hurting your pocket in the big picture.
Number 4.
Alright, number 4. So everybody likes coming in low and selling high, of course. So if you get anything that's got a 2x, 5x, I mean, you're doubling your money. You're quadrupling your money, right? 20 to 500% in there. And then it corrects or falls and goes down 5 to 30%. You're still winning because you already got that initial gain. So yes, you'll be like the Wolf of Wall Street right here when they were doing that little pump up thing. Which is weird, but I guess that's what works.
Number 5.
Number 5. So it depends on where you're at in your investing ventures. Are you investing for the long term, or do you want to take something and make a little profit over it? And if you do, take in any investment, anything, when it's up at least 100%, that's the way to go. You get your original investment back, and if you have some more left over, just let it ride and keep it in there as long as you want to, and as long as it's gaining momentum and you're making money on that.
Number 6.
All right, number 6. The markets go in cycles. That's any market, guys. Right now, the cryptocurrency, it is in the bull market, which means things are steadily moving and going forward and going up, right? That's what a bull market is. Like, I guess you can think of it as like the running of the bulls. They're running and people are buying, so that's why it's called a bull market. The bear market's obviously when they're in hibernation, they're going down and they're slow and sleepy, and nobody's really being active in the market. That's what's called the bear market. But they all go in cycle, and you'll know when the market enters the bear cycle because things are just going to plummet. So a few years ago in 2017, everybody was running into crypto, the bull market was going, and then bam, it hit a bear market all the way up to the end of 2020. And that's where we're at right now, and this is how the cycle goes each time. So in this bull market, things are leveling off and going up, but the low points of this bull market are higher than the highs of the last bull market. So if you can imagine a staggered step, that's what's happening. And you can tell when it starts to enter that bear market because we're going to see some massive losses go down.
Number 7.
All right, number 7. Diversify your portfolio. It helps you in the big picture by decreasing any losses that you may have across the board. But don't just put all your money into Bitcoin. Don't just put all your money into Ethereum. Look at the projects, do some research, and find the ones you like and spread them out with different types of things. And what I mean by that is you can invest in a media project, you can invest in a blockchain project, or even a payment processing project. Pick one that you like, find one, and make sure you have different types to diversify out.
Number 8.
All right, number 8. We're gonna go over some crypto terms that you need to know. All right, cryptocurrency terms, let's call them. And remember to stay to the end, so I got a little surprise for you, okay? All right, HODL, H-O-D-L. You probably heard this a few times. That is hold on for dear life. Don't trade anything, hold on to them for dear life, right? FOMO, that's what a lot of people have, fear of missing out. You don't want to miss out on the crypto craze, right? ICO is the initial coin offering when the coin actually comes to the market. A POS is a proof of stake. A proof of stake is when everybody's staking their coins on the blockchain as backup for the work that's being done. Proof of work, POW, is almost the opposite of proof of stake. The coin's value shows you the proof of what it's doing, how it's working, and changing the technology. That's how it gains its value in proof of work. FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. You're gonna hear a lot of FUD because people just don't know. They see how bad and volatile the market is, so they doubt it. Don't listen to all of them. Do your own research, right? A bull market, which we just talked about, is a market that's going up. A bear market, it's a market that's going down. A whale is somebody who owns a large amount of coins, has a whole lot of money, and they can ultimately change the market and market cycles with their transactions and what they're doing. The white paper is every coin's instructions. What they're going to do, everything you need to know about the project, and you can decide whether you want to invest in it long term, short term, or invest in it at all. Paper hands. This one's kind of interesting, guys, because it's something that people do when they're afraid. As soon as the market starts to dip or come back, they sell off their crypto. But then you have the diamond hands. It's people who understand what's going on in the market and they don't make those irrational decisions based on their fear, okay?
Number 9.
Number 9, guys, don't listen to anybody about a project, okay? Make sure that you have the facts. Make sure you check out the project's website, read the white paper, and probably more importantly, even me, don't listen to me. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just some middle-aged dude on the interwebs, just trying to share information and help people out, but I'm not a guru, and all these cryptocurrency people that think they're gurus and can handle your investment, don't buy into it, guys. There are so many imposters and people out there waiting to get your money, and they're gonna claim that they know market cycles. They're gonna claim that they can predict the price of coins. They can't do that. They never will be able to. But it's just how, the presentation is. Don't just have them show you a chart and say, oh, this is why it's going to happen, but they're just in there shilling themselves and probably trying to take advantage of you.
Number 10.
And number 10, last but not least, research. Learn, guys. Learn. There's tons of information out there about projects, about cryptocurrency. You can check out some things that I'm trying to teach you, but find out about the projects. Find out that things sound promising, make you feel confident, so you can be a smarter, informed investor. Check out the news on cryptocurrency and what's going on in the world, because that tends to drive the market. FUD, even all that. Make sure the sources are credible though when you look for that news, but don't be clicking on links that you don't know anything about or somebody there pumping something up. Just do the research yourself, guys. Learn so you can make informed decisions. But I'm just trying to help all the newcomers to the space, all the newbies out there, welcome in. But I wish I had somebody that I could feel comfortable with talking about it and giving me this info back when I started investing in cryptocurrency. But here's the surprise I promised you guys. If you go to this app, it's the Voyager app. You can download it. If you use my code, $25 of free crypto, guys. You can use it however you like. Put it on their platform, do some trading, experiment, and check it out. So check out that code right there. I'll put a link in the description. There's also a link in the description for Ledger, which is the standard in cold storage wallets, guys. Do some research on a cold storage wallet. I have a video that you can check out as well. And make sure you subscribe, guys, so you can find out more content about crypto and a whole lot of pop culture fun. And thanks for checking out the Jeezy Show.